let's start chapter 2, our food. In this chapter, we will learn types of food we eat, balanced diet, raw and cooked food. So children, let's do warm-up exercise. In this, we have to take the correct pictures. So first you have to tell what are the bodybuilding foods, then energy giving foods, then protective food. Now food. It is our basic need. Can we survive without food? No, we cannot survive without food. We need food to live. That's why we eat food every day. It gives us energy and helps us to grow. And if we do not eat proper food, we become weak and unhealthy. And we won't be able to do any work. Look at this picture. It's a healthy child. He is taking proper food. And he is a weak child because he is not taking proper food. So, children, it is must for all of us to take proper food. Now come to types of food we eat. We can divide the types of food we eat into the following three groups. First one is energy giving food. Second one is bodybuilding food. Third one is protective food. Now come to first energy giving food. Those food items which give us energy, these are called energy giving food. What are these? These are wheat, rice, maize, potato, sweet potato, sugarcane. They all are rich sources of energy. These food items are rich in carbohydrates. Beside carbohydrate, we also get energy from oil, ghee and butter. This type of food can be put into category of fats. So now come to bodybuilding food. Those food which is required for growth and maintenance of the body are bodybuilding food. These food help us to repair the damaged parts of the body. We should eat pulses like arhar dal, moong dal, urad dal, rajma, masoor, chana, lobia, soya bean. These all are different pulses. Children, we should eat every pulses. We should drink milk. We should have cheese, eggs, chicken, fish, nuts. They all are rich in protein. Now come to protective food. Some food items that we eat helps to protect us from various diseases. These are minerals and vitamins. So minerals and vitamins are called protective foods. We should eat vegetables, we should eat fruits. They are rich in minerals and vitamins. Now, two very important minerals needed by our body are calcium and iron. Calcium is required for bones and teeth. Milk has a lot of calcium. We should eat milk every day. And iron is needed for the formation of blood in our body. Green leafy vegetables, they contain lot of iron. So we should eat leafy vegetables. Now children, come to roughage. Our food should also contain some fibrous materials. These fibrous materials do not get digested in our body. They form the roughage in the food. These are carrot, radish and green vegetables. Roughage helps in regular bowel movements. So, salads, these contains roughage. Now come to balanced diet. So, we must eat a variety of food to stay healthy because different food contains different vitamins. A diet which contains food from all the food groups in appropriate quantity is called a balanced diet. What are the advantages of a balanced diet? It is economical. It includes a variety of food. It consists of seasonal food also. And it is according to the taste of a person eating it. But a balanced diet alone cannot keep us healthy. We should follow some good food habits. What are these? We should eat proper meals at a particular time. Now raw and cooked food. Mostly we cook food before eating like rice, wheat, maize, pulses, most of the vegetables we cook before eating. By cooking we can make variety of food dishes like you can make idli, you can make dosa. Cooking improves the taste of the food. It also makes the food soft and easy to digest. Cooking also kills the germs that are present in the food, but overcooking can destroy vitamins in food. So we should not overcook any food. We can eat some uncooked or raw food like you eat vegetables without cooking. First you have to wash the vegetables before cutting, then only we should have those vegetables. And fruits, mostly fruits we eat as raw. Now come to summary. The food that we eat can be divided into three groups: energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. Fats and carbohydrates provide energy. Proteins are body building food, and minerals and vitamins provide protection from diseases. Food that contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals in right amount is known as a balanced diet. Most of the food items are cooked before we eat them. Cooking improves the taste of the food. Most of the fruits and some of the vegetables are not cooked but are eaten raw. Some vegetables are eaten raw as well as cooked. Now come to exercise. First one is oral questions. So come to first. Why do we need to eat food? We need to eat food because it gives us energy and helps us to grow. Now come to second, state the importance of cooking food. Cooking food is important as it makes it possible for us to eat food. Now come to B. In this, we have to take the correct option. Diet that contains all the categories of foods in right quantity is called balanced diet. The food items which are cooked before eating are cereals. What improves the taste of the food? It is cooking. Now come to C. Fill in the blanks. Carbohydrates and fats provide energy to the body. Bodybuilding foods are needed for the growth of the body. Minerals and vitamins are called protective foods. Iron is needed for the formation of blood. Calcium is needed for the formation of bones and teeth. Now come to D. Write true or false. Food gives us energy to do work and helps us to grow. It is true. Potato and sugarcane are cereals and are rich in carbohydrates. It is false. Growing children need lots of protein in their diet. It is true. Green leafy vegetables contain lots of protein. It is false. Fibrous materials get digested in our body. It is false. Now come to E. Answer the following questions. What are carbohydrates, fats and proteins? Carbohydrates as well as fats are energy-giving foods. They give us energy to do our work. Proteins are bodybuilding food. They help us to grow. Why are some food items called protective food? Some food items are called protective food because they help us to remain protected from various diseases. Why are proteins needed for our body? Proteins are needed for our body because they help in the growth and maintenance of the body, and it also repair the damaged parts of the body. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet which contains food from all the food groups in appropriate quantity. Why do we cook food? Give 3 reasons. We cook food for the following 3 reasons. First one is it improves the taste of the food. Second one, it makes the food soft and easy to digest. Third one, it kills the germs that may be present in the food. Now come to project idea. In this, what you have to do, you have to collect pictures of different food items which are cooked before eating and then paste them in your scrapbook.